Okay, just a quick video on a couple of really simple DIY solutions for some just some convenience stuff here. I've got my rotating door stop to begin with. This is just uh, it's a hub from a trailer. This is actually a hub that failed on my initial trip out to New Mexico from Massachusetts, and it sits here riding on this old coil spring, or at least the top of one. I could have used any round piece of metal that would have allowed it to rotate and capture it in that one spot there. But it's just what I had. And you can see that it provides just enough resistance to hold the door while still being able to rotate. So when you close the door, you can just pull the door closed and it just rotates that and sets it up for the next time. And once it's in the right position the first time, the door just slides right past, and it will be captured by it and holds it open, and when you close the door it will be in the right position for it the next time. And that door closer on the post there is what closes it. It's got the pulley with the nylon rope, and the pulley is on a pivot point to make it work a little bit better, and it's all powered by the weight of this axe head here. And the weight of the axe head is just enough that when you close the door, it pulls it closed gently, but with enough force to actually latch it. And then when you open the door, the rotating door stop is ready to hold it open for you with just enough resistance to hold it open. And then the inside door, since it doesn't have a doorknob on it or any way to latch it from the outside without the key, I use this bungee just to hold it closed against the wind. On a day like today when it's a little windy, it might blow it open. So I just use that to hold the door closed rather than carrying the key with me. Because this door closer here isn't enough in a windy day like this. And this is just basically a bag of rocks, which is made out of denim, and a nylon rope and this piece of reclaimed PVC screwed to the top of the door to allow the rope to slide easily over it. And that is what closes the door and keeps it closed. And then if we go back outside, there's another weighted system here to keep tension on the awning when I have the awning out during the summertime. You can see on the right side of the screen is where the awning is actually attached to it, and it's holding tension on it with that weight at the bottom. And it has these hooks that hook to the awning to make it easy to take the awning off and bring it in for the winter. And then it can just be hooked to the back of the post here and can just hang there over the wintertime, and in the spring I can bring it back out, hook it back up, and it's ready to sit out in the wind again.